What is a countable set? A finite set is countable. An empty set is countable. An infinite set is also countable. An infinite set is also called countable. When it is called countable? It is called countable infinite if it is one-to-one correspondence with set of natural numbers. That means the set of natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. up to infinity. If we can set a one-to-one correspondence with that infinite set, then we say that that infinite set is countably infinite. Even if there are infinite number, we can count them. So a countable set, a finite set is definitely countable because we can count. So what is a countable set? Literally it means if we can count, then it is a countable set. So a finite set is definitely countable. An empty set has no element, so vacuously it is true that it is countable. An infinite set may be countable, may not be countable. When we say it is countable, if we can have a one-to-one correspondence with set of natural number, then only we say that infinite set a countable set. Otherwise it is uncountable. So we can define countable set as a set is countable if it is empty, finite, or countably infinite. Countably infinite means it has one-to-one correspondence with set of natural number. Then we say that it is a countable set. Otherwise it is an uncountable set. So this is the definition for countable set. A set is said to be countable if it is empty or finite or countably infinite. Let us discuss this problem. Example 1. The set of integer. Is it countable or uncountable? Set of integer. We can think that set of integer has more number than set of natural number because set of natural number has only positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set of integers have both positive, negative and 0. But look at this setting. We can have a one-to-one correspondence with set of natural number. We associate 0 with 1, then 1 with 2, then minus 1 with 3, then a 2 with 4, then minus 2 with 5, then 3 with 6, and minus 3, 7. In this way we continue. So because there are infinite number of natural numbers and there are infinite number of integers, so we have a one-to-one correspondence. Even if this is a subset of the set of natural number is a subset of set of integers, both are infinite, so we can establish a one-to-one correspondence. So we can say that set of integers are countably infinite because it has a one-to-one correspondence with set of natural number. Set of even positive integer. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Positive and even integer. What can we say about this infinite set? It is also countable. Even if it look like a smaller set than set of natural number, but it has also infinite number of element, and set of natural number also has infinite number of element. And we can associate 2 with 1, 4 with 2, 6 with 3, 8 with 4, and so on. So we can have a one-to-one correspondence with this set with set of natural number, so it is also countable. Set of square of natural number. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square it is 9. Okay, 3 square it is 9. 4 square 5 square. So this is the collection, and this collection is also infinite, so it is an infinite set. Is it countable or uncountable? It is countable because we can have a one-to-one correspondence with set of natural numbers, so it is also countable. These are the example of countable set. Uncountability of R. The set of real number is uncountable. consider set of real number closed interval 0 1. Let it be countable. Let this interval is countable. Then this interval, closed interval, includes all real number between 0 and 1. So it is the set of x such that 0 is less than equal to x is less than equal to 1. We can express the closed interval 0 1 in this way, or is equal to, we can extensively write x1 x2 xn. Because it is countable, we can write in that way. Because we are assuming that it is countable, we can write x1 x2 xn, etc. And there are infinite number of element. Now each real number xi in this interval 0 1 has a decimal expansion of this kind, 0 point a1 a2 a3 an, where a1 a2 a3 an are digits between 0 to 9. Then it will be a number between 0 and 1, because between 0 and 1 the number is fractional. It is positive and less than 1. Now since all real numbers are countable, we are assuming that all real numbers are countable in 0 1. So we can establish a one-to-one correspondence with set of natural number. Now let us consider the following arrangement. 1 is associated with 0 point a11, a12, a13, etc. 2 is associated with 0 point a21, a22, a23. 3 is associated with 0 point a31, a32, a33. Now construct a number 0 point b1, b2, b3, etc. Okay, in which way we construct it? That bi is equal to 4 if aii is equal to 5, and bi is equal to 5 if aii is not equal to 5. What is that? Okay, look at this number 0 point a11, a12, a13. If aii, bi, we are constructing a number 0 point b1, b2, b3. So b1 is taken as 4 if a11 is 5. If a11 is 5, then take b1 to be 5. If a11 is not 5, then take b1 to be, if a11 is 5, take b1 to be 4, and if a11 is not 5, then take b1 to be 5. Okay, so the new number will be 0.555455. Only 4 and 5 will be there. Only 4 and 5 will be there. 4 if aii is 5. If aii is not 5, then it is 5. So it is filled in that way. All b1, b2, b3 are filled in that way. There is nothing special about 4 and 5. You can take any digit. Okay. If in this way we construct this number, then what will happen? Then this new number 0.b1, b2, b3 is a fractional number and positive, so lies between 0 and 1, and is different from all the number listed above. Okay, so it is contradict our assumption that there is a one-to-one correspondence between the set of real number and all the elements in the closed interval 0 1. Okay, so all number are observed here in 1 is associated with this one, 2 is associated with this one, 3 is associated with this one, etc. Now all the numbers, infinite number 1 to infinity, are associated with this number, but now this number is also a number in this interval 0 1. We are getting another number, or we are constructing another number which belongs to this interval but not in correspondence with any number, or if it is any, it will be associated with any number, then it will not be one to one. So our assumption that the elements in closed interval AB are countable is false. or it is contradictory. Hence, the set of natural number is uncountable, because we cannot have a one-to-one correspondence between the set of natural number and set of real number or any interval, any closed interval or open interval. So this is all about countability of real number, countable set and uncountable set.